Today we will be conducting a personality test. Rules for the test are pretty simple. Just calculate the score and check the results at the end. Are you ready? Then best of luck. Question number 5. How do you handle unexpected challenges? A. I analyze the situation and come up with a logical solution. B. I rely on my instincts and act quickly. C. I seek advice from others before making a decision. D. I feel overwhelmed but try to manage as best as I can. Note up the points and let's move on to the next question. Question number 3. How do you prefer to spend your free time? A. Learning something new or solving puzzles. B. Hanging out with friends and socializing. C. Engaging in a hobby like music, art, or writing. D. Relaxing and daydreaming about the future. Question number 2. What describes your decision-making style? A. I think deeply and weigh all possible outcomes. B. I go with my gut feeling. C. I ask for opinions and follow what feels right. D. I struggle with making decisions and often procrastinate. Finally, question number 1. If you could have one superpower, what would it be? A. Super intelligence to solve any problem. B. The ability to influence and connect with anyone. C. The power of creativity to bring imagination to life. D. The ability to see into the future and plan ahead. Finally, it's time for the most awaited part of the video, the results. If you scored between 200 to 160 points, then you are highly analytical, creative, and thoughtful. You excel at solving problems, thinking ahead, and expressing yourself uniquely. You enjoy intellectual challenges and prefer deep conversations over small talk. If you scored between 150 to 120 points, then you have a mix of logic, creativity, and emotional intelligence. You make decisions by considering facts and feelings, making you adaptable in different situations. You enjoy both social and personal time, maintaining a good balance in life. If you scored between 119 to 80 points, then you rely on emotions, intuition, and relationships to navigate life. You value deep connections and often seek meaning in your actions. You might struggle with decision-making but make up for it with your strong empathy and passion. If you scored between 79 to 40 points, then you live in the moment and follow your instincts. You enjoy adventure, spontaneity, and creativity, often prioritizing experiences over planning. While you might not always think ahead, your ability to adapt helps you navigate challenges. In the end, I just want to tell you that your personality is unique, and every trait you have makes you who you are. Whether you're a deep thinker, a balanced decision maker, an emotionally driven soul, or a free spirit, you have strengths that set you apart. Embrace them, grow with them, and use them to shape your journey. No result is better than the other, each has its own beauty and power. Stay true to yourself and keep discovering new things about who you are.